Satnam, I hope you're doing very well. I'm so happy I've seen so many of you after we reopened, coming for classes or just stopping by to say hi. And I pray that all of you that you didn't make it yet, you're home and you're safe and you're healthy. What a extraordinary times we're living. What a life. What a roller coaster. Unbelievable, beautiful times. As long as you keep it together and you just chill from time to time. But if you think of everything, it's amazing. This has never been not for a second of any boring, no degree. But when you look at things start and then things grow and things change, just like with us in life. So same thing with us at RYK. We opened over 6 years ago, and the doors have been open since then, and we helped so many students. So many people came from not just Las Vegas, but from other states, from the whole country. People from even other countries that make a point to come to RYK when they're in Las Vegas. And so many classes and workshops and trainings and retreats and so much growth, so much healing, and especially the community. I've seen the community in Las Vegas, the spiritual community, just blooming beautifully for the last over 10 years now. And it continues to grow as people awaken, which is amazing. Let's keep doing that. But now we're moving into a stage where the physical part of RYK will close and we'll move everything online. We're at the point where we'll move the classes and workshops and trainings and everything online in order to continue forward, and the physical aspect, the location itself, will close at the end of August. So I want to invite all of you, please stop by. Let's make out of this last month together, let's make the best out of it. Come to classes, come to workshops, get your things from the store if you want. We have some trainings, concerts, whatever we can do during the last month, being together in the physical space. And then we'll just continue online, we'll just grow from there, we'll continue this. And when things settle down, why not open another beautiful location to welcome everybody in the next stage of our life. So thank you to everybody. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all the teachers that for the last 6 years have been teaching here. Some of you now, they're maybe in another city, in another country. Some of you are still at RYK after so many years. Thank you to the staff. Thank you to the practitioners, to the healers, to everybody that helped here. Thank you to the students, to all of you who made this home, who made this your temple, who made this your yoga studio, who made this the place where you healed and you grew. Thank you to all of you. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve as much as I could with whatever I was able to do in Las Vegas for however many years, and especially here at RYK. Thank you for allowing me to serve you. So let's make the best out of it. Come and say hi. Take classes. Let's spend August together, and yeah, let's have fun. Please come, say hi to all your teachers, to your favorite people, and let's make the best out of it. Many blessings. We'll see you at RYK for the whole month of August, and then we'll move everything online. I love you. Stay healthy. Come by so we can give the last hugs and the last crying and laughing together. Satnam.